installation of the Digital 6AL, what I noticed is the tachometer is now barely moving. It doesn't get above a few hundred RPM. So what I've read is I need to install MSD Tach Adapter here. And with this installation, hopefully it fixes it. Alright, so to wire up the Tach adapter, I have black wire is going to go to ground. I have the white wire just going to go to the Tach output of my MSD ignition. Red wire is going to go to the trigger wire, or to the original coil positive. So coming off of the key. The purple wire is not going to be used, so I'm going to end up cutting this and probably shrink wrapping it together. So I've decided to install the Tach adapter immediately below the 6AL. I think here it's going to protect it a little bit from water, and it's a good location that looks decent on the car. Probably ground the Tach adapter to itself, since it's self-tapping screws. So the 69 Mustang is grounded to the body. By putting this ring terminal here, I can use the self-tapping screw and drive it directly into the body of the car. Alright, so ready to go in. Black wire is going to be grounded to the body through the self-tapping screw. White wire is going to the MSD 6AL, to the Tach. And then this wire here is going to be going to the ignition switch, as well as the Tach. Alright, now that we're all hooked up, let's test it out. Alright, it appears the tachometer is working, so I think we're okay to go now from here. I got a little bit of wiring to button up before we do anything more with the car. I need to retighten a lot of the 6AL splice connections or spade connectors because they've been coming loose. So hopefully I'll get that buttoned up, and until next time, thanks for joining in.